Talk to us a little bit about the health of the current gaming environment.
Well, I think obviously everybody knows what the news is. It's a little bit slow out there. The economy is a little bit soft. Consumer confidence is a little bit lacking. But the Southeast Asian market and China are giant markets. And we as gaming operators in Macau are very, very blessed to have a market this size that frankly hasn't been penetrated as deeply as it possibly could be. And so even though things are a little bit soft, things are still pretty healthy, and we think it's a pretty darn good business.
For the full year, I believe that Macau will outperform the DICJ's projections for 2024. What is the outlook?
I think, the outlook is going to be obviously some positive growth for next year. The government is thinking that's going to be somewhere around $240 billion for 2025, which again, it's a heck of a market when you really start to think about it. And, Galaxy, with the kind of balance sheet that we have and the kind of cash flow that we have, that's pretty good for investors when you think about the fact that we just increased our dividend from 30 cents to 50 cents a share.
We always hear about comparing with pre-COVID levels. Do you think that Macau will ever reach that 2019 levels?
Look, we hope so. But, clearly Macau today is different from what it was back in 2019. There was 50% of the total revenue, gaming revenue in Macau was generated through the VIP business. Now it's 10%, 12%. And so, it's a much, much different business. But it's a healthy business, and it's a good business. And, we're very, very bullish on the long run for Macau.